What crypto coins to look out for in September? Investors are coming back for crypto as prices rise again. In this video, we'll show you which cryptocurrencies to look out for in September. But remember, these videos are not financial advice, and for more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let us take a look at the best cryptos to buy now. Number 1. TamaDosh. TamaDosh tops our list of the best cryptocurrencies to buy during the crash. The unique vision of this project, which integrates meme coin concepts into the metaverse play-to-win model, has already won over the crypto community. The two main assets on TamaDosh are the TamaDosh tokens, or Tama, and TamaDosh pets. Tama tokens are used for in-game transactions in the Tamaverse. They can also be used to buy TamaDosh pets. Gameplay on the platform involves around minting, breeding, training, and fighting TamaDosh pets in the metaverse. Let us find out how TamaDosh's substantial ecosystem is designed to withstand crypto crashes. Your gameplay on the platform is calculated in Doge points, which move you up the leaderboard based on your performance. If you top the monthly leaderboard, you will be rewarded with Tama tokens. With them, you can buy in-game things like food, accessories, and even new pets. This way, you'll improve your position in the game through constant engagement and earn more rewards over time. TamaDosh has developed an augmented reality, or AR, where you can play with your TamaDosh pets. They also come with an animated 3D model that allows them to be used outside of the native AR apps. Future collaboration with external metaverse environments will expand the use cases of the pet NFTs, increasing the value of Tama. Other factors that give the project a competitive edge in the market are its tax-free transactions and stringent security measures. Tama waives transaction taxes to ensure that the value of the token is credited to the project and not to the user. The contract code is verified by solid proof, and the team is verified by CoinSniper, eliminating the possibility of pump-and-dump schemes and rug pulls. Number 2. Cryptosnack. The next project that has the most growth potential this year is Cryptosnack, an iGaming token on the Binance Smart Chain. Although the project only began its journey in 2021, it has built impressive credibility in a short period of time. This has largely to do with the increasing popularity of iGaming since the outbreak of the pandemic. But there is more to Cryptosnack than what meets the eye. Earlier this year, in February, the Snack token was listed by leading crypto payment platform CoinsPaid. The platform only supports a limited number, 30+, of high market cap tokens such as BTC, USDT, and Doge. However, an exception was made for Snack tokens as they are fast and cheap transactions and can benefit the iGaming industry. Snack is currently accepted as a payment method on more than 800 online business platforms, including more than 300 iGaming sites. Cryptosnack signed a partnership with RCD Español in May this year, marking the first integration of crypto payments by a La Liga club. According to the team, this is the first of many professional partnerships underway to bring more transparency and decentralization to the sports sector. The long-term potential of this platform is underpinned by the recent $50 million investment commitment from GEM Digital Limited. GEM is a leading digital investment firm that sources structures and invests in promising utility tokens. The fund will be used to list Snack tokens on Tier 1 exchanges, expand its global partnerships in professional sports, and develop the platform's blockchain infrastructure. Cryptosnack is led by a fully public team, whose token allocation will be unlocked over a 10-year period to ensure long-term commitment. The project has allocated 10% of tokens from Green Snack to support sustainable energy initiatives focused on carbon offsets. Currently, Snack tokens can be purchased on PancakeSwap and XT.com. They will soon be listed on additional Tier 1 exchanges. Number 3. Battle Infinity. We recommend Battle Infinity as the next best cryptocurrency to buy during the crash. The platform's utility token is IBAT, used to participate in the metaverse and play-to-earn, or PTE, features of this decentralized ecosystem. The Battle Infinity project features the IBAT Premier League, the world's first NFT-based sports fantasy league. Users can create their sports team and compete against other users in a league. Once the platform officially launches, IBAT will be traded on BattleSwap, Battle Infinity's decentralized exchange. Users can trade IBAT with other tokens on the swap. As one of the best metaverse platforms, users can participate in this virtual ecosystem with customizable avatars, minted as NFTs using smart contracts. This can be done on the Battle market, where creators can mint their designs and characters. In addition, Battle Infinity offers a token deployment platform, Battle Stake, where users can deploy their tokens to earn interest. A 10% tax is levied on the use of tokens, a portion of which is distributed to Battle Infinity's global liquidity pools. IBAT tokens sold out just 24 days after the 90-day presale, indicating the huge potential of the project and that it could be a great investment this year. IBAT will soon be available on popular crypto exchanges, starting with PancakeSwap. Number 4. Lucky Block. Lucky Block is one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in after the crash. This cryptocurrency is an NFT competition-based platform built on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. Users can buy tickets to participate in weekly draws hosted on Lucky Block and get up to $50,000 in rewards. The prizes are primarily distributed in LBlock, the network's utility token. LBlock has 2 coins, BEP20 token V1 and an ERC20 token V2. The BEP20 token is designed for DEXs and attracts a 12% fee on transactions. Therefore, Lucky Block developers have created a new ERC20 token specifically for centralized exchanges, or CXs. This token does not change any additional transaction fees and was listed on LBank, a centralized exchange. After starting trading in January of 2022, LBlock rewarded users with more than 1.1% in 2 weeks. While there was a solid uptrend in 2021, LBlock fell in 2022 as the broader markets declined. LBlock is currently trading at 1/10 of a penny and 88% below its all-time high. Number 5. XRP. XRP is an open and permissionless blockchain that provides a global payment network for global banks and financial institutions. The XRP network is popular due to its high transaction speed. It offers 1,500 transactions per second. Moreover, it takes no more than 5 seconds to process a single transaction. XRP is partnered with major banks like Santander and Bank of America because the blockchain network supports cross-country payments more efficiently. XRP has been around since 2012 and reached an all-time high of $3.84 in 2018. Currently, the token is trading at only 36 cents per token. That's it for now. Remember though, that any type of stock cryptocurrency always carries a risk, so always check all the options and make sure that you inform yourself accordingly. And that's it from us. Do not forget to subscribe below, and we will see you in the next video.